Hello and Assalamualaikum. I'm Kisina from Group 1 and today I will explain how to do question 2. First, let us read the question. An estimated force time curve for a baseball struck by a bat is shown in figure above. From this curve, determine the impulse delivered to the ball, the average force exerted on the ball, and the peak force exerted on the ball. Okay, so before we start doing the question, we need to keluarkan all the information given. So here we have force, and we also is given the time. Alright, so let's write here. Force equals 18,000 Newton, and for the time taken, this diagram, this figure did not start from 0, so we need to find the time difference. 2.5 minus 1.0, and then here you can see it is meter per second, so we need to change it to only second, right? So you times 10 negative 3, so you get 1.5 times 10 negative 3 second. Okay, so now we have our information box. Okay, let's start doing A. We need to find the impulse. So this is the formula. J equals area under F T graph, which is 1/2 time taken and force times force. 1/2. What was the time taken again? 1.5 times 10 negative 3 and 18,000. So you tekan the calculator and you get 13.5 Newton second. Alright, so this is the answer. For B, the average force exerted on the ball. So we know our formula is J equals force time taken. We have our impulse, we have our time taken. We need to find this one, right? Okay, so we just sub it in. 13.5 equals F time 1.5 times 10 negative 3. So it's 9,000 Newton, my bad. And then for force, the SI unit is kilonewton. So you times 1, divide 1000 becomes 9 kilonewton. Okay, settle with B. Continue with C. The peak force. Okay, so this question, the answer is this one. This is the peak force. So peak force is 18,000 Newton, but the SI unit is kilonewton, right? So F is equals to divide 1000, 18 kilonewton. This is the answer. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, you can just chat or just ask our group. Thank you.